for Premium Eye Hold Transfer Foil. And we're gonna apply this in here for 30 seconds. Sorry. Alright. You know what? This is gonna be cool too, and just like a blue nails, and you can do it like a Louis sticker in a red Louis. It's gonna be really stunning though. Hey Yamil, hey love, thank you so much. Oh hey Dialects, good, congratulations. We can't wait for the next fun contest coming. We're working so hard to get a lot of different cool contests for everyone to participate. And I have this cute foil right here, and I believe it is from this collection, number 28. I mark it because that's mine, so I won't get messed up with stuff. So this is really cool. It's really stunning that it said all the flowers cute, and it has one of really cute stars, fun things for, of course, our shooting stars. I don't know, it's not flowers at all, but it's really cool that they have that. So I'm so happy that we have that. So then I cut a piece of it, and we'll see if I can get some stars on this. I usually lace right on the top and the centers, and then I will using my Dual tweezers. And just press on the side. Because my hands get oil. Getting it from a cuticle oil. Make sure you get it all. And with Premium's Eye Hold Transfer Foil is really cool. It's just here for 30 seconds. But if you're using the white bottle transfer foil, it needs 60 seconds here. Okay, I'm gonna leave this one up. There you go. Really cool.
That's wonderful. Ship the piece. Right, let's move on.
What should we do with this crystal placement?
Just crystal. You bling already.
I know, it's so cute, right? So we can do something that's really cool with along with the foil. And maybe we should do some red. Huh? This is so stunning though. I like that. Like if your clients get a red on their nails and then they do 2 ring fingers with this, with no crystal, it's really stunning. It doesn't take you like so much time for doing it instead of drawing. And it's so like the effects, the color is so like clear, and it's HD effect, so it gives the design is stunning. I'm really impressed. So this is a condensed glue gel, 1 layer on the top, and then we're going to using a no wipe top coat. If you don't want a shiny top coat, no wipe top coat, you can using with the matte top coat. But then I'm using a no wipe top coat on this.
Matte would look cool on that though.
You want matte on this?
Look
Oh,
different.
I'm gonna do shiny. I like shiny, but I like matte too. Don't get me wrong. I don't know. It just really depends on certain stuff that I do. Like last week we did really cool like Aussie nails. I really like that in matte. I would love to have it in matte instead of Shine by Charles. Did you try that one? This transfer foil gels, if you're using this 30-second cure, love. And then if you're using the transfer foil in this one, is 60-second cure. As long as you cure it properly with your LED lamp, it should transfer everything. All right, so I am going to using it's super cute. I just didn't want to because it's had a blue. It's had a blue. I'm in background, so I would not try to get too much blue on it because it's already have a blue on.
Some blue.
Some I will put some blue on. Thank you, everyone. I'm really enjoying it tonight with everyone. And put some. Okay, I'm gonna pull it closer to me. This design is really cool. I don't know if I want to completely cover. I'm almost getting a design in the middle, but it's take away from my beautiful stars. So
Just give some shine to the
I
star.
give, but you can do so many with this. I was thinking like this. I was like thinking of is like, let me show you. But if you don't like it, no offense, you don't have to put it in, you know. But if you do, you can't. I'll just give it some preference. If you like it, you can do similar. But if you don't, just don't have to put any crystal on. But I think it's gonna be fun to add some crystal on it. And then that's it. Because the more I add it on, the more like it's gonna cover my star. So I don't want that.
Do you want a big shiny stone in the middle of the star too? No.
I could. Too big, then it's gonna cover that.
That's smaller.
Let's see.
Okay.
But it's gonna be disconnecting with that.
Why not?
It's like a shooting star. It's actually a shooting star. Do you think?
I think the separation is nice though. Doesn't have to be all the way connected.
And then you can add some more like
You want to do some frame on the line, like swinging.
and that's one in blue, and then I'm gonna do this in red. You can continue go on and on. Like with this, you can put it beads on, but then it take away from really cool stuff. So, if you're happy with this, I am going to clear this. But if you don't want this crystal on, you can just absolutely leave it alone and just do halos along with the cuticles. Let me show you closer. It looks so much better on my end though. I don't know why it looks so dark in the pictures. It's really dark. Did you see that?
You gotta bring it up.
It's really dark on it. I feel like on the camera it looks dark though. Do you think so?
Yeah, that's how it is.
Okay, much better now. So if you turn on the
Brightness.
the brightness in yours, it might looks better. Because my brightness is all of a sudden it looks dark, so it looks like really dark. Okay, so good.
That's cute.
Hold on, maybe I need one more.
Yeah, why not? One more.
Right there. And that's it. Okay, I'm curing for 60 seconds, adjusting everything you needed before you cure. All right. Okay, looks so much better now. Genesis, sometimes I forget to know what top coat. Yes, it's okay. When it later, if you're doing it as my, it should be fine. But then if you top coat on that, make sure you don't top coat over the top coat, over the crystals when you need to apply the top coat after you're keying it. It's adheres, but it's gonna be double adheres if you have your no wipe top coat on. Didn't use a nail tech. Hey, yes, I did use a condensed glue gel first. Oh, super cute bling nails. Good eating, watching Glitz. What are you eating? What is the difference between 30-second and 60-second top coat? They're not 60-second and 30-second. It's just 60 seconds for this chamfer foil gels, nail tech. If you do this bottles, these formulas, you need to key a 60-second. These formulas that you have in your black bottles, premiums, IHO, chamfer foil gels, you can key this for 30 seconds. So just remember the white bottles, 60 seconds, so black bottles is 30 seconds. I do both of them. I use both of them. For instance, if you have, take your time, you're doing it, this one work great. Like say if I'm busy with the clients, I need just 30-second key fast and quick between like clients, then they want some really cute, simple chamfer foil gels. I'm using this 30-second keys and I'm ready for her chamfer foil. This one is here for 60 seconds already, and I am going to using Crystal Bestie. Take the caps, top cap off. It would take me to the part of precision needles. I am doing some little exam right here. I feel any cracks, edges, you know, gap between crystal. I'm gonna fill it in each time. You're gonna use just a little bit. Just little smaller portions go a long way. You don't need a whole lot if you already feel like really smooth. But if you feel it's a little bit scratchy, you just need to feel just a little bit. And then it's going to blend right in to wherever a missing part of condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat. Sometimes it's just from the edges and like from a structure of the nail or C-curve, or apex, you know, like part. That's why you fill it in to make sure they are not gonna catching on the client's hair or their clothes. And I'm gonna fill it in. Cece, you said, hold on, what did she say she eating?
Chinese food.
Oh, I love Chinese food.
Sesame chicken with veggie and rice.
Sounds really yummy.
Yes, New York restaurant opening back now. Nice.
The New York restaurant opened it back. It's awesome. I love to. The last time we went to New York, it was back in February when we were seeing for Fashion Week in New York in the class we had there. Me and Vicky, we went to Chinatown. No, hold on. I think we did go to Chinatown one time and then we go other direction on the next day to Flushing to see some of our like is potential distributors. That's why it happened that we've been to Flushing and Chinatown. It's really cool though. How do you clean the tiny brush? With your tiny brush here, all you need to do is nail techs, wipe it off first. Okay, so since I have everyone here, I'm gonna show you how I clean my brush. Really simple, easy. You don't need to use any alcohol, acetone. That is you shouldn't put it on because it's gonna damage the brush